So here we are now. Now it's already soft and almost puree. Okay, then let us put now the curry powder. And chili, so they are all soft together and the flavor will get mixed together. The aroma is amazing. I put paprika. Paprika is so amazing because you can use it in anything, especially for pasta. Black pepper, I had mentioned earlier. So now is puree. Let's cover for a few seconds. And I'm so sorry, I forgot to mention about the water. So I will put the water in here. Let it simmer for 2 minutes until the curry powder is mixed with everything, the onion and things, and the flavor to come out. So 2 minutes. There we go. And then now we put the salt. It's about half teaspoon. Don't forget the curry powder already like flavor in it. So as you can see, it's so nice and so puree. Like this one, sometimes if you are vegetarian, you can just add vegetable in it. Any vegetable that you want, like cauliflower, broccoli, carrots, celery. It's already delicious. Even you can make egg curry, just make this sauce and add boiling eggs in it. So now let us put the chicken. Mix it. And then let it cook. Let us cover this for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we have to stir it again and then cook it further.